The road never sleeps, and neither do we. Welcome to Truck Service EV, where engines come back to life and every truck leaves ready for the long haul. From highway haulers to dumpers, box trucks, and daily drivers, our mission is simple: keep you moving. We're the shop that gets it done fast, smart, and right the first time. General maintenance? Covered. Advanced electrical diagnostics? No problem. Complete engine or transmission replacement? That's our specialty. When other shops give up, we find a fix. Our crew handles the toughest jobs in the business: heavy-duty repairs, complex systems, and custom solutions built for performance and reliability. Your fleet deserves power and uptime. That's why top names like Day & Ross, Danaka Transport, and Dumas Transport trust Truck Service EV to keep their wheels turning and their deadlines met. We're open every day from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. No appointment needed. Just roll in, and we'll get to work. Short on time? We've got you. Pickup and delivery service, courtesy cars, and free consultations for our regular clients, because downtime isn't an option. And when you're stuck on the road, our mobile team comes straight to you, ready to get your truck rolling again. Genuine or aftermarket parts, guaranteed service, and a team that stands behind every bolt they tighten. Truck Service EV, where skill meets speed and reliability rides with every mile. Let's keep your business moving. Let's roll.